Hi friends, welcome back to John.Drinks. Today we're making the perfect drink to warm you up on a nice frigid night. The hot toddy is probably the grandfather of most warm cocktails. This cocktail dates back to the mid-1800s, and a great toddy is known to give you a jump start to your morning and even cure colds. Many believe that the earliest uses of this drink was to have the alcohol numb pain, while the hot water, lemon, and cloves sort of soothe the sore throat. Now, it may not be used that way these days, but it is still, a great warm you up, feel good drink. Now, you can use any kind of whiskey you want for this. You can use, in Ireland they would use Irish whiskey, in Scotland they would use Scotch, and in Northern America or the States they would use, well, whatever you have on hand. Some toddies were even made with rum, brandy, but most typically whiskey is the favored spirit in here. So this is a warm drink. I'm going to be using my bottle of Johnny Walker's Song of Fire. It has a lot of cinnamon and smoky sweet notes that I think is going to go really well with this. Anyways, let's go start making one. So for this we're going to need a coffee mug, and to our mug we're going to add 2 lemon peels. You can express the oils first if you want to. About 5 cloves, a tablespoon of brown sugar, about 1/3 of an ounce of lemon juice, and then we are going to top this off with hot water. So we're going to do 2 ounces of scotch, or anything you prefer. Alright, we're going to stir that up, let the sugar melt and dissolve, and now we're going to let this steep for 2 minutes. And that is my hot toddy. Now on the nose, this is just amazing. Lemon, sugar, cloves. It smells like an apple cider almost. Whew! Just warms you up. Typically you're making a green tea with lemon and honey, but I think this does the trick maybe a little bit better if you're sick. And I just can't get over the smell. It just smells amazing. It almost smells like Christmas in a glass. Not even just for fall, this is perfect for winter. I'm getting a little bit of that smokiness too coming from the scotch. Anyways, that is my hot toddy. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment below, let me know what you want to see next. Until next time, cheers!